right, so here today we have a groaning noise. So Marguerite, if you can, please start it up. She's going to give the example of the noise that it makes, which it's quite the groan. So
when I steer,
when
only when I go
yes.
left though.
Yes, so we're going to just investigate a little bit. Hopefully it's just a fluid change I have to do, but we're going to look at it.
So here I am in the dining room trying to piece this video together, and I realize that when we recorded hearing that groaning sound, you couldn't hear the groaning sound. So I'm headed back outside to try and recreate that sound for you now so we could put this video together. All right, let's open the car here. Okay, let me bring you inside. Oh boy, too many things to hold. All right. And of course now we had to have a fly come in. All right, so let's see. You know what? I'm gonna close the door. That might help. All right, let's give it a try. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? I think you can hear it now, right? And surprisingly, when I go back right, it doesn't really do it. It's mostly on the left. But when I'm driving on the road, it does happen both sides. Let's see again. All right, I think this time you're gonna be able to hear it. I'll be able to put this in the video. Okay. Back to editing.
As you can see, it's kind of getting
Cruddy?
cruddy. Right? Okay, so we're going to just take a quick look at it. Get some of this. Amazing how nothing stays good forever. This was probably done quite a few years ago. I remember changing it out years ago. Like I basically did the quick, change. I didn't. So yeah, it looks
Can we
sturdy.
see down there or no?
You really can't see, but it looks
No.
sturdy to me.
So how do you clean it?
So usually what I do is I suck it out.
Oh, with
much
like
as I
a
can.
turkey baster?
Yes,
type
and
of
then,
thing?
and I put new in, and you can definitely see it's low actually.
Ice cream! The ice cream man is coming! Okay, all kidding aside. So what we're gonna do, John has decided, because we're short on time and I need to take this to work in a couple of days, we're gonna tackle this two ways. Sorry, I'm squinting because the sun is in my eyes. We are tackling this two ways. The first one is gonna be a quick flush, and that is just to get me on the road so I could get to work and back. And then when John has a full day to himself and he's ready to do it the right way, we'll do a separate video on actually taking care of this, doing a full clean flush of the power steering fluid. So stay tuned, 2 videos coming.